Good afternoon. Just to look over the pairs that have changed since yesterday, we got the sell-off. We got the sell-off here in Aussie US dollar, which worked out well. Now, I've been counting this as A, B, and C is just about here. I would expect it a little bit lower and then a correction of some size. It can also be counted as a five-wave move. It's just a bit complex up here because there's something like a flat for wave two. I'll just show how that went. One is to here, and then for two you have a gyration like this, and three, four, five. Now, four did not intersect with one, so this count is valid. And currently, from the high here, I've marked it as a try here with three down for C, but it can also be one, and then a two like before. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe a sideways move here, and then one more low, possibly. So I am looking for a bounce of some sorts on the next low, maybe a little bit lower, but some type of correction after that, but the move overall remains down. Tomorrow is ECB rates and press conference. The movement usually happens at the start of the press conference. We may have a leading diagonal here for wave one of three. So if it can correct a bit today and tomorrow and stay beneath this high, it's open to a deep move down. This does work as a leading diagonal. The five-wave move here, it did not break this low, so I cannot count it as five waves overall as a new trend. I've been counting this as a flat. So we have one down, wave two, wave one of three, and then a flat for two of three. And now we have the leading diagonal for three of three for the first part of that. Cable, still expecting a bounce, still hasn't happened. New Zealand is the weakest currency still. I've been over this. No bounce yet in gold, but I am looking for it somewhere here. So far, dollar strength is killing this. Dollar's been moving up well. Now, the yen pairs, there was a short correction in euro yen. It continues up. Nothing more to say about that because we did have a five-wave move. I'll see how this develops. And this also, from this five-wave move, it only corrected down to about here. So this may end up turning around because the low from this morning, early this morning, did not break the low from 6 March. So I cannot count this as three waves as such. There was no low break. I would have to adjust this count so that actually the five-wave move is to here, and then you have a B, C correction, and now 1, 2, 3, and we are off after that. But it could also stall out here for three waves down, three waves up, and then five waves down for C, like a flat, like I just showed on Aussie US dollar. I should have done this pair earlier. Now going into the ECB tomorrow, we do have a possibility of a turn on Euro Canadian dollar on a new high for a three-wave flat. 1, 2, and 5 for C, and then down. And the idea on this is that we had five waves down to here, a long correction over the summer into November, and then the first of three here with a flat for the second, and then a down move to follow for the large move down. And US Canadian dollar, I would like to see this continue up higher. For me, this would be the best move, to see it straight to 136, 138, and expect it to turn around just as quickly. I mentioned yesterday, if it holds above this high, there's a possibility to adjust this count, but I'm not dealing with that at the moment. I mean, if it holds beneath this high, there's the possibility to change this so that this is one, and then there's a three-wave move like this, but I'm not dealing with that now. And Euro Aussie dollar appears to be in wave 5 up now. I'll mark this as 4 into here. There was a 3-wave move down, 1, 2, 3. One, two, a bit higher, and may see correction following that. Aussie New Zealand is finally getting a correction for wave 4 of wave 3, so a little bit lower in that. So 840, 830 level. And another touch of the 8 EMA, maybe about 830, 840 again. This must be close to ending wave 3 as well. So we may see a correction of this into tomorrow if the euro sells off. In any case, it remains very bullish. And the other pairs, I'm not trading right now. So ECB tomorrow and probably a corrective bounce in Aussie dollar now. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.